welcome to another JavaEE tutorial. Last time we left off, we'd finally gotten into something really exciting, which is the ability to send an object, not just a couple of, measly primitive types, back from a server. But a lot of you were probably thinking, well, using all those command line parameters and having to actually do a request for a specific MIME type, that seems kind of annoying. And you're also probably thinking, really, most of the time I just want to return JSON. I don't really care about anything else. So, in true Jax-RS fashion, there is of course an annotation for that. And that's what we're going to cover today. This annotation is @produces. Now, you'll notice there are actually two annotations for this. There's a JavaX Enterprise Inject one, and then a javax.ws.rs. For this to work, you need to select the javax.ws.rs. And in the produces annotation, it takes a parameter, which is media type, which again is javax.ws.rs core. You want to make sure you select the right import. Dot application JSON. So now we don't have to give any sort of special request header at all to tell it to give us JSON. So start your server and open a new terminal, and we're going to run some of those curl commands again. So we're going to give it a curl, and we can just give it the URL. Localhost 8080 people, and we got JSON by default. Now, you're probably going to run into some sort of other custom serialization format, and if you want to support more than just JSON, you actually can. So this parameter actually will accept an array. So you can include multiple media type. So you could do media type, text plain, media type, application, XML, if you wanted to support those. But like I said, most of the time you're really only going to need JSON if you're building like a real application out of this. And as with a lot of these, you probably don't want to have to clutter up all of your methods by putting produces media type application JSON right on your method. So you can just put this right on the class. And now, if you restart your server, you'll notice we get the same effect. So that's all for produces, and today's was a pretty short little lecture, but next time we're going to cover some other really exciting stuff so you can actually start building a real API that does more than just fetch some pre-generated or pre-set up properties. Thanks for watching.